Hello and welcome everybody to a new Rainware video log, creating an RTS game with Godot. As you can see, I'm in the new environment here, and yeah, we have a new picture for our videos. I hope you enjoy it and let us get into it. So I'm still lagging a bit of progress this week, but nevertheless I want to show you my recent changes. So one of the first changes this week was I'm now able to place my defenders as usual. So we are now able to replace our defenders with another technology, and as you can see right here, the defense is replaced and we also get back our one stick for that, and also the new one is placed here. You also may notice that I implemented the new models for our 9000 BC people that are the one in the back, these two in the back, and the 3K BC, which are these in the front. I was also able to experiment quite a bit with the UI elements in Godot. So as you may notice, in the bottom right corner we have this quit game button right here, and it's also working. So if I click it, we have this dialog which asks me if I want to quit the game. I can dismiss this dialog, as you can see, and I can also hit the OK button, and it's also quitting our game. This one is very important for our first playable version, because I want you guys to have the possibility to quit the game and not be stuck in a full screen game and you can't leave it. Another thing to mention is I had to re-implement a lot of animations and models, for example with our slingshot or the spear model and stuff like that, because our structure of the animations and how everything was handled changed quite a bit. So I had to re-implement them and just make sure that everything is working as it was before. We have this cool slingshot animation ongoing right here on every attack, which is looking very cool. If I hadn't such a frame drop, you may see how cool the animation actually is. This one, the building gets destroyed, and I also have this small dialogue which just tells me that our mission is finished now, and as you can see also the minimap is updated. So that one is working as expected, and we can also leave this game here. Yeah, and the last thing I want to share with you today, guys, is our new buildings. These are the buildings for 900 AD, and yeah, it will be our Dark Age. And as you can see, we have here our fortress, and also with reaching this epoch, we also have a new building. So this is the first time when our mine will get up, and yeah, you will have to build it with some people, and all it does is we have then access to some more resources which needs to be deep mined, and that's why we need our mining. Another cool thing of the mine is we have 2 more places to place defenders on them, so our defense will be stronger on our sector. I'm very excited to get the buildings running and implement the new models within the next week, and I hope you tune also in for the next week and see our progress done. Just as a short reminder, as the last 2 episodes as well, I will put the link into the description where you still can register yourself for the playable version. I hope you will be able to play the first version of the game within the next week or 2 weeks. Yeah, and as usual, I hope you like the videos. Please don't hesitate to write your feedback about my channel, about the videos. I already received a lot of feedback, and I want to thank you guys for that. And I hope also that I improved already quite a bit. If you want to see something special, for example how I build up one scene or how I animate the models or whatever, please write it in the comments below, and I will do a single episode about that, and we can go more into detail, or I also be willing to stream it or whatever. Bye!